Hey, what's up, Berries? My name is DuttyBerry, and welcome to another vlog series called, I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but for now, let's just work with The Road with Dutty. And I'm gonna talk about, just show you some highlights about my trip to Hedonism in the grill, because I was fortunate enough to be asked to be one of the judges for the Miss Bomb Delicious competition. Basically a competition where them get like about 8 or 10 up by the girl from all over the world where come for compete for show say them are the most talented and sexy and hot and stay good bumper round here. So first I'm gonna hear about it, but they kinda shocked because me I want that DuttyBerry at Hedonism. Like, you know, come feel like I kinda walk with a halo. Somebody shocked, but you know, I said, you know, I'm going to do it, I'm going to, you know, open myself to new experiences and just to see what hedonism is all about. There were about 6 or 7 judges for the competition, but I only did know like 3. Janet, Miss Silvera, ZJ Sparks, and well, not a judge, but the host was Yannick the Curvy Diva.
She is a well-recognized fixture on the Jamaican and international entertainment landscape. Sparks, aka Wild Child, stitches music of all genres together, pumping up audiences with her radio lives. No, she not play tonight, Sparks. The people that don't say crazy like that. All right. Right next we have Janet Silvera. All right, she has made an indelible contribution to Jamaica's tourist industry for the last 24 years. Janet, say hi to the people then. Now please tell them good night, Janet. All right. Her first job was with me. Okay, so y'all ready? But you ain't ready yet because this last one, no, Miss Pet. I'm a friend. I'm an enemy because he chopped me and got up other things. And in Poolside, I know you is DuttyBerry. Of course, popularly known as DuttyBerry, yes, is an online blogger and media personality famed for his box cover. I keep saying when it's a box cover, it must have mix up, blender, and everything out between. Now the 25-year-old came to fame following the release of his comical commentary videos of Tessa and Chi. You know when she walked the voice and all that. So, DuttyBerry, big up yourself. About other things tonight. You gonna judge the ladies. Don't judge them hard, right, judges? Put your hands together for the judges, right?
So the competition started, you know, me enjoy it and all them something there. And by the time it end, the girl who me did actually predict and pick for me the winner was the winner. So big up she, wherever she did, even though our bumper did fake, but she did deserve it.
So I'm at Hedonism about how was the start for the, was it? The Bomb Delicious?
Bomb Delicious.
Bomb Delicious. Bomb Delicious contest.
See that?
That girl is shot there.
So afterwards now, I'm gonna start mingle with some of the hotel dancers. They man book up this girl, she named China, and them call her Diana, and trust me people, she's like a really talented girl. She can dance. So she go up on the stage and she just fierce. She come like a little mini Beyonce, like she just have the package there locked.
Big up on yourself now.
Turn up, turn up, turn up. So it's Dirty 69 Diana, follow me like, hey. Shiny 72.
On Saturday now, I went snorkeling. Is not snorkeling? Snorkeling, not I was just skydiving, but you can't skydive in the sea.
Alright, so apparently I'm about to go snorkeling. This thing called snorkeling where basically you have these things like fins See here. You have these things like fins, and you supposed to go in the water. I don't really understand the technique, but they'll let me know about it. And these are the people that are there. So, where
watch me now, man. Oh, me go run. Oh, me go run. Here's some can go for water. Yeah.
You're Jamaican, you can't go anywhere.
Where you going?
So explain what is snorkeling.
Yeah.
Since you know so much.
Where you go down there, you will find out.
Okay. So big up Sparks in our good panty. Our good panty.
Victoria's Secret.
Yeah, okay, have good panty but
A different style, we do it different at the grill. What's yours?
I wish Jamaican people come, so.
We say different. No, we say scuba, we say snorkeling with elegance.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like a tutu.
Yeah. Up.
You're Jamaican? Well.
Yeah. So when you're jumping off, just hold the mast.
So always keep this as tightly there as possible. You always keep this as tightly there as possible.
Yeah, I always see the lips over it. It's gonna be taking a lot, right? So these parts are gonna bite on these two parts here.
Yeah, that's bite on.
That's the way fresh.
Yeah, that'll make them wander out. Pull the mask and then jump.
You don't swim for one, you should not swim for one. Oh, you can't tell me that.
Oh my God! Cheers, drop off!
Captain.
Oh God, the fair! The fair is in the air. Cheers to the water. Okay.
Yeah, 1, 2.
Sure. Okay, let's break one up. Look at my catching the fight too.
I touched it.
Pick up food.
You know, it was very good to know that I could swim without needing the life jacket. I felt very accomplished knowing that I was able to swim not needing any one of those life jackets like some of those amateur people. I thought I did an excellent job. I actually fed a couple of these fishes down there with bread, and it was really good. And this brother here saved my life, Alex.
Yeah.
Because at one point, the water there go open up my nose and then something to save my life.
Now we all going to swim back to the shore.
I don't know how far with it.
Go start life. Yeah man, you go over there and go start life. No, so what, your style, this is Ariel. Say hey Ariel.
Hi, what you doing?
Jamaican Ariel.
How you going?
And that's Sebastian over there. Who else was in there?
Triton.
No. And this is Ursula.
Here is called the Island Reef. These that we get here is about 12 feet, and that's in the clear areas. Right now, the bilge pump on and the fuel. So the deepest depth we get here, 12 feet, and that's here, like over here. Over there is where we're gonna swim. Over there is where the reef is. Approaching the reef, you don't wanna like touch it or bump against it, or you're gonna hurt yourself and you're gonna damage the reef also, right?
Oh.
So stay like arm's length apart from it. So snorkeling time is 30 relaxing minutes. So we have life jacket for all of the drunk swimmers, lazy swimmers,
Can't swim swimmers.
weak swimmers, can't swim. Yeah, we have it for everyone.
I'm coming. I can't swim, but I'm coming.
As we just talked about here, so all of a sudden, watch this. Shelly and Fraser here.
Why you not love me?
Shelly and Wiggy Barrow.
Love me.
This is Pool 101. So what's the objective of this game?
Sink your balls.
So how many of the balls should be synced?
The one that you choose. So
Oh.
if you sink the stripe first,
Yeah.
sink stripes.
Okay.
Solid, you have to sink the solid. You sink the black ball.
And you're free to enter any one of these balls?
You have to call it.
Oh.
Call the shot. Some people don't call the shot.
Okay.
How do you finish that? How do you open it? No, may I open it?
All right. So let's see the technique. Okay. Yes. Okay. So watch her lining it up. Okay. Look at it. Really? That was a slow thrust. But I guess that's how
It's not
Sparks.
all about power. And sometimes you have to take time. You have to take time with it.
Oh.
You know?
Sometimes you have to empire it.
Don't fight it. It's not force.
Okay.
Technique.
Where's the force? Technique over force. I like it.
So in the night now, we decide say we're going to link up with Sparks and Curvy Diva, and we're going to go this karaoke thing. And the song I would choose to sing was, what the damn song name? That's What Friends Are For. Me never really want to see it, but Sparks decides that she want to sing, but it kind of want to sing. What is the name? Candy Shop by 50 Cent, but them vote me out, so.
It's a video. What the character there? Let me hear her.
But you got, I don't remember her talking.
You don't remember? Is this Sophia
Exactly. I
Gapagara?
don't know. I need to give her a name. Give her a name for me, Daddy.
After the karaoke, me they kind of feel tipsy and I feel like, hey what, me there Hedonism and me really don't do nothing yet. Me can come and Hedo and not go check out the Nude beach. I don't know what kind of maze me fly under, but me just feel like me need to go see what the whole Nude beach experience is like. And if me could have pushed myself to go show my tele to the entire people about the place. And you know, I got up and I went around there. I have a section where you walk and then you saw a sign saying no close beyond this point. I'm in the past there before I go get pizza, but I say, you know what, I'm going to do it. I want life me have to live. And I took off my clothes, very well hesitant. I'm step out in the what you call it, the sea area. I step out in the water. And after a little while, one security guard come and tell me, say, I need to move away because of the night, and sometimes jellyfish them jump up to the front and them could have sting me, and I could take a sting on my balls. So yeah. So on Sunday it was time to head back to Kingston, and my beg Sparks a ride, and she was nice enough to say, okay Barry, I'm going to drop you. And you know, but we end up past this little place where she said there's a secret river, one little secret beach where people normally go on all a vibe. And she talk about say, you know, say I always want to stop there, but I never get to stop there yet. And I'm like, why we don't go? And that is what we did. To make matters worse, she opted to give me lessons on how to dive. Now, me never know so when you dive, you must make sure say, my understand some people push out them hand, but I never really know say that was the reason why them do it for cut the water. So I chuck through first, and the whole of my chest is what break the water, and I just feel this incredible amount of pain.
Yeah, that's why every time I feel like I get too nervous, I just relax.
This one burn me. 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Counting. Okay, and if I never had to pause it, it would be 5 minutes and 36 seconds.
45 seconds.
You get about 45 seconds exactly. Russian just jump. 5 minutes now. Okay? And my jeans pants dry, so I'm not really after change.
Somebody heard one of the burritos. Then what's your name?
Joshua.
How old are you?
9.
And what did you tell me a while ago about
Dolphins left.
Stop trying to pass now.
How much we share? Oh, sorry. He don't live, everything I go on nice.
So owe me $5,000.
So get it.
And she don't want to give me a credit.
Well, that's it, peeps. All about my first trip to Hedo, hosting the Miss Bomb Delicious competition. What a name. Bomb Delicious competition. It was so much fun. I had a blast, and I can't wait to do stuff like that again. I hope that you make sure that I hope that if you enjoyed it, you like, you share, and you comment, because I will be sharing more of my trips and my day-to-day activities with y'all in this whole vlog series, The Road with Dutty. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. Just let me know what you think I should call that vlog series. Alright, take care until next time.